Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, just remember how far you have come. I didn't get there by wishing for it or hoping for it, but by working for it.
You don't need to see the whole staircase, just take the first step.
Focus on being productive instead of busy. Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. She remembered who she was and the game changed.
Always be careful when you follow the masses. Sometimes the end is silent.
Big lesson in life, baby. To never be scared of anyone or anything. Sunshine all the time makes a desert. When someone says you can't do it twice and take pictures. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, but a good amount of it actually is. A diamond is merely a lump of coal that did well under pressure.
If at first you don't succeed, then skydiving definitely isn't for you.
If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito. When plan A doesn't work, don't worry, you still have 25 more letters to go through. Never let anyone treat you like your regular glue, your glitter glue. What's on the other side of fear? Nothing. The best revenge is massive success. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Opportunity does not knock. It presents itself when you beat down the door. I find television very educating. Every time somebody turns on the set, I go into the other room and read a book. I never dream about success I work for. Action is the foundational key to all success. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. It's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. Winners never quit and quitters never win.